Today we are drawing this cute bread and jam.
So, let's get started.
First, we will draw the bread. Now we will draw its hands. After hands, we will draw its legs. Now we will draw the jam on the bread. Bread's eyes. Bread's mouth. Now we will draw the jam jar. First, we will draw the lid of the jar. Then, we will draw the bottle. After bottle, we'll draw the jam in the jar. Now we will draw the eyes and mouth of the jam. It's time to draw hands and legs of the jam jar. Friends, I love strawberry jam. Do you also? First, we will color the bread light yellow and its crust brown. We will color the jam red. It's time to color the lid pink and blue. Now we will color the bottle with light blue color. Color the hands orange. At last, we will color the hands and legs with light orange color. video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.